Hello. Hi guys, so I have my Sherbet Lane box here and the theme is a reset button. Let's open this up. Cool. Just gonna get it all out. Pop that to one side. Okay, so first up we have this Scribblicious pencil that is in like a yellowy sort of colour by the looks of it. Yeah, so it's in this beautiful yellowy sort of colour. And nice and sunshiny. And then we have a book, Reset Button. A notebook with space to reflect on the past year, what worked for you, what didn't, and then start to plan for next year. Reset, realign, restart, reclaim, reignite. And then it's got 2022 reflection pages in there. Stock check, areas of life to reset and refuel, and little spaces for those. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Time to shake things up. I love this picture, it's gorgeous. New month, new beginning, new start, new mindset, new focus, new intentions, new results. 2023, let's start making some plans. And then it's got the January calendar, goals, notes, and a dot grid page. And then you've got one for February, March, April. So this is really cool because it's kind of like just a quick little, well, I could really I think turn this into maybe my social media sort of goals and things like that for this one, because it is a bit smaller, like the spaces for each month. Ooh, whoops. So that's cool. And then we get this cute card. Good luck on your new adventure. Such a cute card. Oh, that's so cool. I just said that I really like this image in the journal, and we have a oh, for 30 days I'm going to, so like a little goal card. So that's quite cool. Time to shake things up. I really love this image, it's so beautiful. And then you've got like a habit tracker here where you can mark off each of the days. And we've got a yearly calendar. Oh, and on the yearly calendar it's also got like a little habit tracker. And then this new month, new beginning, and another habit tracker for there. And then wrapped in this gorgeous ribbon we have a project planner, and they're just sort of like you get 3 of those. I presume they are the same. What would you like to reset? And then just like ideas page, planning page, and to help you go through all of the different steps. So that is super cool, and I think that these are going to be yeah, so you get 3 of those so you can set out new project ideas for the year. And then we have Nice envelope. We have these cute stickers. Every day is a fresh start. That's such a beautiful bright colour. And then we've got 2023 in like lights. Love this. The mountain cup. I miss hiking. And then we've got the months that you can stick in your planner. So that is a really cute box with some really useful tools to work out new ideas and goals for the year, I think. Yeah, really fabulous box, and I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you want to flash me that thumb and comment down below if you have any projects in the pipeline that you are thinking up, or any ideas that you're doing for your YouTube channel, for your Instagram, for your life in general. What fun projects have you got planned for 2023? Whether it's sort of arts and crafts or journal or whatever related, or maybe it's just you are planning a really fun trip. I would love to find out, so yep, comment them down below. And thank you so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys, love you, bye.